Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Poshmark account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in Poshmark.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Poshmark. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for login and sign up. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option sign up and sign up for your account. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, click on this option login. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Poshmark. You'll be able to log into your account from this interface. You'll be able to continue with Facebook, Google, Apple or email. So simply click on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my username and password. If you also want to do that, click on the field of username or email and enter the username or email over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Poshmark account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.